guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison, and today we are celebrating the Super Bowl. Now I'm getting an early start because I work with guys and I wanted to show them how much we appreciate them. Hubby and I normally feed them on Fridays. Every Friday I get creative. I find something different for them to eat. So this Friday, because of Super Bowl, we're actually having pizza, wings, chicken Alfredo for one of the guys that don't really care for pizza. I also picked up some brownies, chips, and drinks. So I am going to do a very quick setup in the break area where they eat, and I hope they'll enjoy it. So guys, I welcome you all here to my channel. Again, I'm your host, Gigi Faison, and you are welcome here at any time. No matter whether I'm trying to be sneaky and get something done really quick, or if I'm taking my time and sharing with you something very elaborate. So today, it is all about Super Bowl Sunday, showing you guys how you can throw something together really quick. I know the two teams that are playing in the Super Bowl are the Kansas City Chiefs and the Philadelphia Eagles. I couldn't remember exactly what their colors were, but I think I got pretty close. Like I said, this was something that I thought about at the last minute. I wanted to do this for them. And guys, it doesn't always have to be something big and major or elaborate that you do for people to show them how much you love them, how much you care and appreciate them. Sometimes it's those very small things that you do. You take the time and you put something together. You show people that you care about them. You show them while they are here on this earth so that they can enjoy it. So this is what I'm doing today, putting it together really quick. So come with me back to the dining room table or to the break area where we normally have our lunch. All right, guys. Oh, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time and you love creativity and tablescapes and shopping hauls and home decor, that is me. Hit that red subscribe button so that you'll be a part of this family. Hit that notification bell twice so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. All right, guys, I gotta go. Come on back. Guys, the time is near us. Super Bowl 57 is only a couple days away, and I am here to show you how you can entertain your coworkers, your family, your friends, your neighbors, quick and easy. I stopped by the Family Dollar and picked up 2 rolls of this paper here, one in orange, one in white. They did not have red for the Kansas City Chiefs. And I picked up a few snacks, ordered pizza from Domino's, and you will see my choices. Created a little centerpiece using an old flower vase that I had. Inserted some of the tissue that I picked up from the Family Dollar, created somewhat of a centerpiece, and used the rest of the pizzas and the chips and all of that for my table decor. Yes, the table is ready for the guys to come in, and guys, they really enjoyed this. I pulled it together very quickly, like a last minute thought, but look at those brownies. Don't they not look delicious? Pizza, this is the spinach feta cheese pizza. Also, I added in some wings, threw in some veggie pizza, that is my fave, and then pepperoni pizza and chicken Alfredo for one of the guys that really don't care much for pizza. This is what I did, quick and easy, and the guys really enjoyed it. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed my sharing with you as you too may be getting ready for Super Bowl Sunday. And this is hubby and I. We like to have a little fun. So be blessed. Take care. Let me know what you think. Let me know who your favorite team is, who you are rooting for, whether it is the Kansas City Chiefs or the Philadelphia Eagles. Guys, Another milestone has been set. We have two African American quarterbacks that are in the Super Bowl. History made once again. All right, guys, don't forget, let me know what your favorite team is by leaving me a comment in the comment section and let me know what your plans are for the Super Bowl. Be blessed. Take care. Until the next video, I am your host, and you are styling with Gigi Faison.